y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my BOXYCHARM for February of 2020. Okay, so Miss Eleanor really wanted to make an appearance in this video, and then Choco's down here staring like, why am I not up there too? But yeah, we're gonna see what I got in my BOXYCHARM for February 2020. I've had this for like a week now, and I was like, you know what? I don't feel like filming, so I haven't. But I did just film the rest of my Urban Decay Naked Wild West palette, which is on my eyes right now. I'll have that video linked below when it's up. Also, I reviewed the new Marc Jacobs Cafe collection, the that thing, and the foundation. It's on my face today. So beautiful. Also, I have a giveaway going on right now. It's in this video. I'll have it linked below if you guys want to enter a giveaway. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this box. So if you are into these types of videos from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing this video, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt our hearts. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Choco wanted to say hello to you guys. Look, Choco, look at the camera. Say hello. Such a good girl. Such a good girl. Let's get back to business, people. I know, I'm just like all over the place with this video. It's like, okay, Ellie, you're not getting back up here. Okay, unboxing time. All right, BOXYCHARM XOXO. I really just don't even know how to read this thing anymore to tell you what number I have. So this is what we have. The very first item I have, I'm not excited about at all. Don't even peg me for being negative, okay? I just don't like this product. So this is the Trestique Eye Duo, the mascara, and then it comes with an eyeliner this time. I haven't gotten the one that has the eyeliner, but I've definitely gotten this mascara before. And it's not like a terrible mascara, but it's also not the best mascara. And this little thing up here, this like Men in Black situation, is really stupid because you have to curl your lashes in like 3 sections just to get them all, and you know, who's got time for that? But the mascara itself isn't like terrible. So yeah. And then we have this. I guess I just personally don't care for Trestique, but this liner seems pretty legit. It's not like true black, but it's pretty dark. So yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Next product I'm actually really excited about because I saw this on the Instagram. This is Glamere and their brushes, and they were so cool looking. So yeah, it comes in this little sparkly pouch, which is pretty cute. And then here are the brushes, and they are so much cuter in person. So they have these like sparkly doodads in here, and they just do this little number. Super cute. Really, really like that. Now these two is kind of a bummer that they're not like full-on eyeshadow brushes, but I can definitely use these for the under eye because I do use these types of brushes whenever I'm doing like my lower lash line. These feel soft and not too stiff, so I'm sure these are going to be fine. So yeah, I love putting brushes in my collection. Oh, I'm not even telling you prices. So this Trestique thing is a $44 value. I don't believe it. And then the, what is this called? The brush collection, $29.95. Next up we have something that is my absolute favorite thing in the box. It is my #1 reason why I absolutely love this box. It's from Tula. So this is the So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. I right now have the Sugar Scrub in there, and it smells like coconuts. It's amazing. I love it so much. Definitely like just, I love it, okay? I love it. And then I also use the brightening thing, then the little blue tube when I go to bed. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm excited about this. I mean, I don't have blackheads. I don't even remember the last time I've had a blackhead, but you know, it'll scrub out my pores. And this one smells really, really good. I'm so excited to swipe that on my face. And that has a value of $32. Next up we have something from Evio Beauty, if I'm saying that correctly. This is the Pore Perfect Primer Perfect Base Matte Finish. So that's interesting. This retails for $23. I wonder what it smells like. It definitely has a bit of a tacky feel, which is actually great for a primer, so your foundation can really grip on it. So excited to give that a try for sure. Okay, cool, cool, cool. And then the last product in here is from Brow Bar, which I'm kind of excited about. I hope I got one that'll be for my skin tone, eyebrow tone, whatever. It's in medium, so fingers crossed, but this is what it is, and it retails for $40 because I'm really trying to perfect my eyebrow game, if you will. So hopefully this will be a good little kit for me and I can perfect the eyes. I've gotten one of these before. It was something a little bit different and it was way, way, way too dark, so fingers crossed. Yeah, this is definitely not for me, but my niece can definitely use this, so I think I'm gonna give it to my niece. Ooh, but there's tweezers in here. I might give this to my niece, but keep the tweezers. Okay, so yeah, definitely far too dark for me, but this like brow bone highlighting color is pretty. Okay, very sad about that, but the whole box is made up by this product. Like, I'm so beyond excited about this that getting this crappy mascara again doesn't even make me upset. Plus, I really, really like these brushes. Like, they're just so cute. Like, they feel really cheap, if I'm being honest. Like, they do, but they're so cute. So I'm really, really excited, and I'm excited about this. So yeah, that's everything that I got in my BOXYCHARM. Let me know what you got in your BOXYCHARM. Are you happy with it? Are you starting to get tired of BOXYCHARM? Let me know. I know pop-up going on right now is pretty good. Definitely more skincare items than makeup items, in my opinion, this pop-up go around, but there's still some really good choices on there, like NATASHA DENONA that I let you guys know about. So pop-up right now is definitely killing the game. BOXYCHARM I still think is like the best subscription, near and dear. Love it so much. But yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!